So again one more time, all my dear students, welcoming you for what this online coaching classes. Okay, so as already we have discussed here, we are discussing that one chapter is which is left in my second PUC, that is electric potential chapter. That chapter, that is electric potential capacitance chapter, I'm going to handling today's class. Okay, okay, this is the second PUC topic. Okay, and we're going to first discuss its synopsis as well as what a questionnaire part in this today's class discussion. So let us begin with what it's a synopsis. So as you already familiar with this chapter, this electric potential and capacitance. Okay, this is one of the biggest chapter in second PUC after the electric field and charges. So in introduction part it is given that okay, to do some work done, okay, you require what some kind of energy, that is called what electric potential energy. Here it is mentioned, when the external work is does work taking body from a point, okay, against a force like a spring force or gravitational force, that it works stored in the energy, potential energy of body, potential energy of the body. Okay, so here when the external force is removed, it moves kinetic energy and losing an equal amount of water potential energy. So the total energy is conserved by water kinetic energy as well as water potential energy. Okay, here, so this is a little bit of introduction about the topic. Okay, now moving begin to the definition of electric potential. Okay, so in electric potential what happens, definition, as you know, the electric potential at a point is electric field is amount of work done in moving a unit positive charge, moving a and the charge is unit positive charge from L in the infinity to against the electrostatic force. Okay, and this one is given by what mathematically, Va equals to what V infinity divided by what Q naught. Q naught stands for what unit positive charge, and this is a mathematical equation for what electric potential. So that electric potential, once the definition is over, we come across with what it's this one also, electric potential can also written by what volt equals to work done upon charge, work done upon what charge. Here work done is a and charge are both are what a scalar quantity, then the electric potential is also what a scalar quantity. Okay, and whose SI unit is what volt. Okay, SI unit is what volt, or you can also call what joules per coulomb, joules per coulomb. Now here work done can be given by what W equals to Q by V. Okay, and definition of electric potential is given by what the electric potential at a point is a electric field is 1 volt if 1 joule of water work done in bringing a into positive charge from L in the infinity to against the electrostatic force. And mathematically it is given by what V equals to work done upon what W upon Q, m1 L2 T minus 2 AT, and its a dimensional formula it is mentioned, that is m1 L2 T minus 3 a the power of what minus 1. Okay, so students, I told you already, first 15 to 20 minutes we will be going to discuss synopsis. Now next we already discussed theory part, the potential due to a point charge formula, that is V equals to what? W equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R. This is a mathematical equation for what? Electric potential due to a point charge. And we discuss electric potential for electric field chapter also. There electric field is what? Inversely proportional to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ರೀ R square ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ನೀವು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಏನಾಗೈತೆ ರೀ V is inversely proportional ಆಗಿದೆ R ಆಗಿದೆ. So this is the relation between distance for electric potential as well as what? Electric field. Next one, the electric potential due to electric dipole is given by V equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P 1 by P cos theta upon what? R square. Here theta will be taken what? 0 degree or 180 degree. Okay. Then Vp equals to what happens? 1 by 4 pi epsilon P upon R square. When the point P lies equatorial line, when theta becomes what? 90 degree, then Vp becomes what? 0. Vp becomes 0. Now this is the electric potential due to a system of charges is given by V net, means number of potential is given by 1 upon 4 pi epsilon summation of n I equals to 1 Qi upon what? Ri. Move on to next slide. Now come to the next one is equipotential surface. What is equipotential surface? That any surface which has the same electric potential at every point is called what? Equipotential surface ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. Okay, and it is constant value and potential at all point will be remains what? Same. Okay, and this is the important relation between electric field and electric potential, that is E equals to dV by dx. That why this negative comes? Negative sign indicates that the direction of the electric field is always direction of the decreasing potential. Now we are just discussing only synopsis, means what we are not going detail, just expression and its concepts. The potential energy of a system of charges is given by U equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R12 and Q1 Q3 upon R13, Q2 Q3 upon what? R23. So these are the mathematical expression for what? Potential energy of a system of charges. Similarly, potential energy of the two charges when it is in external field, this mathematical expression is given. This one is already we discussed in the theory classes. Okay, so move on to next slide. Potential energy of a dipole at external electric field is given by what? U equals to P cos theta Hello, voice is not hearing properly. Now sound is clear. Only send me chat message. Sound is clear. Okay. Video is clear. Okay, thank you. So here this is the potential energy of a dipole and external field is given by U equals to P into cos theta or U equals to minus P. Okay, here cos theta can be taken by theta equals to first 0 degree. Okay, so then what happens? UP equals to what comes up? Minus P, means dipole will be what? A stable equilibrium. When theta equals to, when you take 90 degree, then the dipoles becomes what? 0. When you take 180 degree theta, then dipole becomes what? Unstable. Okay, move on to next slide. That is electrostatic conductors. So as you know, conductors, it is the ability of the charge to move through them in metals through when charge can move what? Freely. And metals examples: copper, lamp, wire, human body, tap water. And non-conductors insulators करते हो. Okay, you know insulators, materials through which charge cannot move freely. Example: plastics, glass, chemically pure water. Next, electrostatic shielding, or it is also called what electrical screening ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. Okay, what is electrostatic shielding? It is a phenomena for protecting the certain region space from the external electric field, okay, of electrostatic shielding. The process of protecting the region from the influence of nearby electric charges placing inside the metal box or cavity. Just go through the definition, it is given in synopsis. So move on to next one is capacitance and capacitors. As you know, when the conductor is given in some charge, the electric potential ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ increase ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So depend upon this one, charge of the conductor rises what a potential. So that is Q equals to what happens, C into V, means the potential is directly proportional ಆಗುತ್ತೈತಿ, charge ಆಗುತ್ತೈತಿ, charge ಆಗುತ್ತೈತಿ. So that where C is constant proportionality, it is called what a C equals to what happens, Q by V. Where capacitance of conductor is a ratio of charge given to the conductor and raises its in potential, then SI of capacitance is given by what a farad. Then what is the definition of 1 farad? Farad is nothing but what, it is the capacitance of a conductor is said to be how much farad, 1 farad, if the coulomb of one charge required to rise the potential of conductor by how much volt, 1 volt. Next, on what factor the capacitance of conductor depends? One is the size of the conductor and shape of the conductor and dielectric medium between the surrounding conductor and presence of other conductor nearby. So move on to next slide, capacitors. So capacitor is nothing but what, it is a system of two conductors separated by what, a insulator. It can store large amount of charge compared to single conductor, and this is a mathematical expression for what, a parallel plate capacitor, C equals to epsilon T upon D. And here if it is for air medium ಆದರೆ, this is for some other medium, okay, for some other medium, it is given by what, Cm equals to epsilon A upon what, D. Okay, here this is the for air medium and this is for what, some other medium. And dielectric effect of dielectric on a capacitance, it will be given in the synopsis. Okay, just go through. Now next slide is energy stored in the capacitor. Okay, that is expression is given, U equals to half into Q, or another expression is half into CV square, another expression half Q square upon C. Okay, now here capacitor symbol will be given by what, this is the symbol of what, a capacitor, two parallel lines, one is positive, another is what, negative. Okay, when capacitors are connected series means what, two or more capacitors are connected what, end to end, and this is called C1, C2 and C3. Hence its mathematical derivation is will be equals what, 1 by Cs equals to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. When the, okay, this is becomes what, series. Parallel means what, two or more capacitors connected across two ends. For example, this is the first one, this is second one, and this is third one. So there are three capacitors, they all are connected in what, parallel combination, and this expression is given by what, Cp equals to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Now lastly, the uses of capacitors. Okay, the capacitance can be used to what, store the electric charges, to generate the detecting the radio waves, The capacitor behaves like a open circuit DC, hence it is used what elementary and desired DC. Capacitors are used to what components as a filters. Capacitors are used as a what to restrict the AC without what much more loss. Capacitor used to eliminate the sparking induction coil, and they are used what a potential divider. Okay, so whatever we discuss, this is a little bit of introduction about the what synopsis. Okay, students. Okay, last we are going to begin with what questionnaire part. Okay, okay, now you take a pen and paper. Okay, now I'm going to solve one by one questions with solutions. Okay, so that you can students what you get also what solution as well as what and its tricks and its complete what solutions. Okay, first question. The first question: the electric potential at a point at a distance of charge, it is given by what q v qv, when the charge is replaced by how much 4q. First charge is through only q with next charge becomes what 4q. At that potential point will be what is your answer? So this is based upon what electric potential. Okay, now what is the solution of this problem? Here you know that the electric potential formula is what 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon what r. Okay, now this is the electric potential at what potential at a point charge formula. So here they are replacing this charge q. Charge q is what replaced by 4q. Then what happens? The new potential is going to get v equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, that is in the charge of 4q idile ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ 4q upon what r ತೊಂತೀನಿ. So 4 is common here, only what left bracket naga 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon what r. So finally what you are going to get, the new potential will be what 4 times of the initial potential. So what is your answer for option for first question? Option D. Option D is the correct answer. Okay, so students, please take down the solutions. So all of you students, you are taking solution, no? Reply me chat. You just copy the solutions. Students, okay, okay, shall I move to next question? Okay, move on to next question. Now here 4 charges of magnitude 1 nanocoulomb, minus 4 nanocoulomb, 3 nanocoulomb and minus 5 nanocoulomb are placed corners of the ABCD. Okay, now side is given by how much centimeter? 6 centimeter. Side is given by what? 6 centimeter. Then what is the potential at its center and cathode ray? Okay, so now solution of this problem, they mention square, means you have to draw the square for the square here potential will be acting at center O on the reactor. Now charges are placed at the corners A, B, C and D, and they mention the side is also how much, 6 centimeters. So here number of point charges are acting at its center, so that formula will be given by what, V equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Okay, there are number of charges in a theory, q1 upon what, here r1, q2 upon r2, q3 upon r3 and q4 upon what, r4. Okay, now we need to find out what its distance, means OA, OB, OC, OD. Okay, now to calculate the OA, OB, OC, OD, okay, now here diagonals of a square can be calculated first. Okay, diagonals of the square, how you going to calculate? Okay, here diagonal will be what, here AC or BD. Okay, you calculate anyone, you get its solutions. Okay, now at present it looks like what, a triangle. Okay, so diagonals of the square is given by what, formula what, it is what, root 2 into what, it's a side. Okay, now side is given already, how much it is, 6 centimeter, so that diagonal is given by what, AC is equals to root 2 into 6 into 10 the power of minus 2 meter. Therefore AO equals to OB equals to OC equals to what, OD agati. Okay, here AC equals to what, divided by 2. AC will be what, it is divided by 2. Here AC equals to what, divided by 2. So AC ನ ಅರ್ಧ ಹಾಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, AO ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ or OC ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. So that AC equals to what happens, if you divide it, AO upon OB equals to OC ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ರೀ, root 2 into what, 3 into 10 the power of ಎಷ್ಟು ಇದೆ, minus 2 meter ಬಂತು. So you got distance of AO, OB, OC equals to root 2 into 3 into 10 the power of minus 10. Now what is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught? It is 9 into 10 the power of 9. Okay, now for all distance it is common, r1, r2, r3, r4 means what, AO, OB, OC, OD. Okay, ಎಲ್ಲ ಇವು ಅವರಿ, r1 ಇದು r2, this is r3 and this is r4. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿರಪ್ಪ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ root 2 into 3 into 10 the power of ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, minus 2 ಬಂತು. ಸೊ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ q1, q2, q3. q1 ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ರೀ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 minus 4 plus 3 and minus 5 into 10 the power of ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, minus 9 coulomb ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 9. After solving this all these steps, you are going to get how much, 750 root 2 volt. Okay, 750 root 2. Which option is correct? Just go through and write down. I think option C is correct answer. students. Shall I move to next question? Okay, move on to next question. Students, shall I move to next question? Yes. Third question. Third question. Consider the electric potential due to a charge at a distance. Then the potential due to 8 times of charge is what? 4 times above the distance antar is how much in Qatar. So solution for this problem is you need to what? Work out. Already we have discussed electric potential at a point charge formula is what? 1 upon 4 q upon what? R is there. Okay, now the new potential will be what they mention. Charge will be what? 8 times under 8 q आता ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗೈತೆ ರೀ 4 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಆಗೈತೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ 8 by 4 will be common, ಬಾಕಿ rest of the things will be remain same. 1 upon q upon not q upon what? R. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So finally what happens? V dash equals to what? 2 into V. Andre the new potential will be what? Okay, 2 times more than the initial potential. So answer is what? Twice. Option C. Option C ala B. So for this question his answer is what? Option B. Okay, move on to next question, students. Next, fourth question. Let V be the electric potential at a given point. The electric field E along the x direction at that point is given by. Okay, now this kind of problems are what? These are what? Knowledge based. These are called what? Knowledge based questions. Only you require what here? You have to give the relation between electric potential and electric field, and you know that one. What is that equation? E equals to minus dV by dx. So this is the mathematical relation between electric field and electric potential. So option है पहले C. C will be the option for this question. Okay. Move on to next question. Question number 5. Just read out. The slab of dielectric is introduced between the two equal negative charges. Two equal negative charges with a fixed separation. As a result, what happens? Because of the two equal negative charges, forces between the charges will be what? Decreases. So solution is what here? The forces between the charges decreases. That is option based. Option A. Students, voice and video is clear? You please send me in chat box. Next, move on to next question. Question number 6. A point charges 50 nanocoulomb, 100 nanocoulomb, minus 75 nanocoulomb are placed in circumference of the circle whose radius is given by 0.5 meter from an equilateral triangle of what ABC. Then what is the potential at the center of the circle and Keter? So already we solved a previous one problem like this type for what a square ABCD, but they mentioned what here, triangle ABC. Similarly here also you have to use what a electric potential at a point charge formula, that is V equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Because of the three charges, what happens here, Q1 upon R1, Q2 upon R2, Q3 upon what, R3. Similarly, what is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon? You know this is 10 the power of 9 into 10 the power of 9, and they mention the distance. For all distance it is 0.5 meter, means here R1, R2, R3 all distance are how much here, 0.5 meter. So that it is given by 0.5. Now charges are what, one is 50, one is 100, one is minus 75, and they all are in nanocoulomb 10 the power of minus 9. So here after doing the calculation, because this 10 the power of minus 9, this one is cancelled, in 150 it is minus by 75 means plus 75, 0.5. Finally we are going to get how much answer, 1350 volt for this question के answer. So which one is, option is correct, option A is correct. So what is the solution for this question 6? The answer is 1350 volt. Move on to next question. Look at the question number 7. To move a unit positive charge from the point to another point on the equipotential surface, what happens? So equipotential surface again akitripa. In equipotential surfaces, all the potential will be remains what, same. Okay. On that one, if you move a charge, on that equipotential surface, what happens? There is no work done takes place. No work done takes place. Okay. Because work done equals to what, dw equals to what, v into q ಅಂತಕೊಂಡೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ನೀವು ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟರು, ದ ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್, 0. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್, ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ನೋ ವರ್ಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಡನ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ. Move on to next question, students. Question number 8. Consider a point charge is given by 1.5 into 10 the power of minus 8 coulomb. Then radius of the equipotential surface is having how much volt? 30 volt. Is how much in Keter radius? And what is the solution for this problem? Here again this is also based upon what, electric potential at a point charge formula. They are asking what here, radius means distance. So you keep r one side and q by what, v. What is this v? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon, it is 9 into 10 the power of 9 What is charge? Charge is given by 1.5 into 10 the power of minus 8, and it is given by what volt is 30 volt. Okay, after solving this all steps, you are going to get how much? R equals to 4.5 meter. So which option is correct? Option C is the correct answer for this question. Okay, I hope this solution is understood. For question number 8 ಗೆ option ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿಪ್ಪ? C. C. Okay, move on to next question. Question number 9. When the two spherical conductors charged to different potentials are connected by a wire, ಅವಾಗೇನಾಕೈತಪ್ಪ? What happens when the two spherical conductors charged to different potential? They are telling what? Different potentials. Different potential means what? According to the property of the potentials, ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಪ್ಪ? Always electric potential ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರಿ, electrons flows from lower potential to higher potential. Lower potential to ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೈತ್ರಿ? ಯಾವಾಗಿದ್ರು ಇದೆ higher potential ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿಪ್ಪ? ಸಿ. ಸಿ. Move on to next question. Question number 9. 9 is over now. 10. So in 10, just read the question. A charge of 3 coulomb experiences a force of 3000 Newton, which is placed in uniform electric field. Then the potential difference between the 2 points by separated is how much centimeter? 1 centimeter. Then what is that electric potential in collector? Okay, so in this problem they mention both charge, force. Charge is given by 3 coulomb, force is given by how much Newton? 3000 Newton. Distance is given by how much? 1 centimeter means I will convert this one into meter. So yeah, they are asking what is that potential. So you know that by definition of electric charge, electric field and charge chapter naga, electric field can be given by what? Force per unit charge. And you know the relation between electric field and point charge formula is what? F equals to dV by dx. Okay, so combining these two, okay, so dV equals to what happens? F into dx upon q. Okay, now they mention here force. Force is how much it is? 3000 Newton. Distance is how much? 1 into 10 the power of minus 2. Charge is given by how much? 3 coulomb. Okay, so after solving all these things, you are going to get how much volt? 10 volt. So answer is what? 10 volt, option A. For question number 10, option A is the answer, that is 10 volt. students. Okay, shall I move to next question? Okay. Question number 11. If the distance between the plates of a parallel plate of condenser is what increased, then what happens to its capacitance कहता रहा. So from the capacitance of a capacitor knowledge, the capacitance always inversely proportional to 1/3, the separation between the two parallel plates. If the capacitor increases, what happens to distance? It will be decreases. If the capacitance is decreases, when separation is what increases. Okay, so ultimately what happens at this point, the parallel plate condenser is what increase ಅಂತಾಗೈತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗೈತೆ ರೀ, the capacity, the parallel plate distance is what here increase means increase ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ capacitance will be what decreases. Sir, for this question ಗೆ option ಏನ್ರಿಪ್ಪ, option B, that is decreases. Move on to next question. Question number 12. A condenser is having the capacity ಎಷ್ಟು microfarad? 2 microfarad, 2 millifarad. So students, next question is displayed on your screen. Yes or no? Okay. A condenser is having capacity 2 millifarad of charged by how much volt? 200 volt. Students, others having the problem of my voice is not clear. My voice is breaking. I don't know. Students, others having the problem about my voice. Problem is there or not? So it is breaking the voice.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ತುನ್ನಿ ನೀ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತಿ
ಸರ್ ಬ್ರೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾನ
ನಾನು
ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಒಂದ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕೊಡಾಕ
ನಿಮ್ ಸರ್ ಬ್ರೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾನ ನೀವು ಕಡೆ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳಕತ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲ ಕುಂತ ಆರಾಮ ಏನ್ ತುನ್ನಿ
Students, make mute your voice. Okay, now listen. Question number 12. Okay, question number 12. Condenser is having the capacity 2 millifarad and charge is what, 200 volt. Then it is capacitor is connected to resistance wire. The heat is produced in the joule will be how much? That is solution for this question. Here it is they asking heat energy. So heat energy equals to what? U equals to what? Half CV square. Here the capacitance is given. Capacitance is 2 into 10 the power of minus 3 milli, and voltage is what? 200 into power of what? Whole square. Okay, so 2 to get cancel. This is 4 into 10 the power of 4 into 10 the power of what is the minus 3, 4 into 10, and finally you are going to get what? 40 joule. 40 joule. So here for this question 12 ಗೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬಂತಪ್ಪ? 4 into 10 joule 40 joule means option B. Okay students, hello. Okay, move on to next question. Okay, next question. So question number 13, the effective capacitance between the 2 points A and B as shown in the circuit. The capacitance of the capacitor is how much farad? 1 millifarad is there. Yalla 1 millifarad adavri iwe. Now you have to work out this one and get is what is the effective capacitance between what? A point A and point B. Now here you just modify this circuit into what? In this format. So all the capacitors are 1 millifarad. So first these two capacitors are, they are already parallel, and this 1 millifarad and 1 millifarad, all three are becomes what? A series. So that 1 upon CS equals to 1 plus 1 upon CP plus 1 by 1. CP formula ಏನಿತ್ರಿಪ್ಪ? 1 plus 1, that is 2 millifarad. So 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1. So after taking the LCM everything, it becomes pi by 2. therefore CS equals to means the total combination CS or CAB equals to as per the triple answer. Both you are going to get how much answer? 0.4 millifarad. Option A. Now students, voice and video is clear? Hello students, okay, thank you. Now just copy this problem firstly. So I'm going to move to next problem. Next move to question number 14. The two charge bodies are connected by a copper wire with electric charge on them is shared. What happens? So solution for this problem is what? Charges flows until their potential difference becomes what? Charge element of flow kitri? Charge flows until their potential difference becomes what? Same. Therefore nimbothiti capacitance what? C equals to Q by V. V is the same ಐತಿ. Okay, then what happens? C is direct proportion ಆಗಿದೆ, Q ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. C is directly proportional ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, Q ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So option ಯಾವ್ದು ಬಂತಿರಪ್ಪ? It is directly proportional to their capacitance. Charge is directly proportional to their capacities. Option B. Option B. Okay. Next question. Question number 15. Now the effective capacities between the A and B. Again here two capacitors given, two ends are given A and B, and they are given this combination. Each capacitor is 2 farad. Okay, you need to calculate what is the effective capacitance between A and B. Okay, so here look at this combination. This combination is what? A parallel combination. So in parallel combination what happens? When the number of capacitors are connected in parallel, number of capacitors are connected in parallel, then there is a one mathematical equation is there, that is Cp. Cp means effective number of capacitors connected in parallel can be given by n into C. Just number count ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದಾವ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? It is 1 2 3 4 means 4 capacitors and each having what? Same number. ಎಷ್ಟು is the 2. So then what is your answer? 8 coulomb. 8 C means coulomb ಅಲ್ಲ, 8 C means 8 capacitance ಅಂತ. Okay, students, shall I go for next question? Students, question number 16. The difference between the equivalent capacitance of two identical capacitors are connected in first what a parallel and then in series is how much farad? 6 microfarad. Then what is the capacitance of each capacitor? And okay. Solution for this problem is the given Cp means capacitors are connected in parallel minus Cs capacitors are connected in what series is given by what 6 microfarad and the difference in kottaru and they given what here two identical capacitors. So Cp negative 3 when they connected in what parallel it becomes what 2C. When it is connected in series C by 2 equals to what 6. So here LCM is 2, 4C minus C equals to what 6. So 3C upon 2 equals to what 6. Therefore 3C is equals to 12. So C equals to 4 microfarad. Andre each one is capacity is how much farad? 4 microfarad. You just correction make it 4 microfarad it is. Okay. Shall I move to next question, students? Question number 17. The nature of equipotential surface for a point charge. Nature for equipotential surface of a point charge. On the point charging ಐತ್ರಿ plus ತೋರಿ minus ತೋರಿ ಅದ್ರ surface ಹೆಂಗೈತ್ರಿ there becomes what sphere charge is at its center. So option has been 3A. ಇದು outward okkiti inward okkiti that is different, okay, but they are asking what electric potential surfaces. So these are what always in shape is what a shape sphere. So option has been tripa A. Student next question hogle. This one is over. Okay, move on to next question. Question number 18. What is the electric potential at a distance 9 centimeter for 3 nanocoulomb ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So solution for this problem is the electric potential ಕೇಳಾಕತ್ತಾರ point charge ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ it is given by 3 nanocoulomb. Distance is given by 9 centimeter. So you know 1 upon 4 pi epsilon is what 10 the power of 9 into 10 the power of 9. Charge is 3 nanocoulomb means 10 the power of minus 9. Distance 9 centimeter can be given by in terms of what meter. So 9 cancel, 10 the power of 9, 10 the power of minus 9 cancel. So 3 into 10 the power of plus 2, or this is 300 volt. Which one is option? Option C. Shall I move to next question? Okay, next question. Question number 19. A capacitor of a capacitance is 10 millifarad is charged to 10 volt. Then what is the energy stored in it ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. And this problem is based upon the what charge is stored in capacitor. So charge is stored in capacitor equation is given by what half CV square. Half CV square. Here capacitance is how much? 10 milli and the 10 the power of minus 3. Voltage is given by what 10 the power of whole square. So if you solve this one, 2 1s are 2 5s are 5 into 10 the power of minus 3 and 10 the power of plus 4, and it is given by what here 10 microfarad. Milli it is given. So what is the option? 5 into 10 banta means 50 joule bartaithi, but 50 joule it is not there in option. If you make it this one milli idide madkondepa micro madkonde, then what is the solution? U equals to half CV square. Same steps. Capacitor is given by what 10 the power of estakate minus 6, and this is 10 the power of 4, and this is 10. So here what happens? It is going to get cancelled. 5 into 10 the power of estatide and voltage is 10 means 10 the power of 4. This is becomes 500 microjoule. When you taken 10 the power of minus 6, your answer going to get what here? It is also becomes at 10 the power of minus 500 microjoule. Option A. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಆಪ್ಷನಿಗೆ 50 ಜೋಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ರೀ ಅದು. You make it 100 microfarad, then your answer becomes what 500 microjoule. Because ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 50 ಜೋಲ್ ಈ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ನಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ. So that I have changed here 10 millifarad ಬದಲಿ 10 microfarad ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Next question. Question number 20. The electric potential at any point x, y, z in a given by n equals to 3x square. The electric field at that point 2m meter means 2 meter or 1 meter ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So what is that electric field ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಕತ್ತಾರೆ. So here it is 3x square I cap ಇರುತ್ತೆ. I cap ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ x ಗೆಷ್ಟೇ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. If it is given j cap, it is what 0. If it is given by k cap, it is 1 meter. At present I cap ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಓನ್ಲಿ 2 ಮೀಟರ್ ತಗೋರಿ. So you use mathematical relation E equals to dv by dx. So here they given what here n means what, that is potential, that is 3x square. Okay, here 3 is constant with respect to x square. If you differentiate it becomes what minus 2 into what 2x bantida. So E equals to ಏಮಂತ್ರಿ minus 3 into what 2x banta. Substitute x equals to what 2. So what is your answer? 3 into 2 into what bracket 2. 3 2s are 4, 4 2s are 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12 volt per meter, and it is along x axis. ಯಾಕೆ x axis? I cap for always x axis, j cap always y axis, and k cap is always for z axis. Okay. xyz is given by v equals to 3x square plus 5. Okay, then the electric field at a point minus 2 1 0 is ಕೆಳಕ್ತಾರ. So they given the electric potential equation v equals to 3x square plus 5. Students, make your voice mute ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ. We know that electric field equals to minus dv by dx. Here potential is given by 3x square plus pi. Now you differentiate with respect to x. What happens? Only x square is going to get differentiation. What happens? Minus 3 is 3 into what? It is coming what? 2x. So total starts through the 6x. Okay, so E equals to how much you got? Minus 6x. But they are asking point charge xyz in meter is given by 3x square plus 5, electric field at a point minus 2 1 0 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, now x equals to now I am taking minus 2, substitute in the place of x, minus 6 into minus 2. So what is your answer? 12 volt per meter plus 12 volt per meter. Option is what? A. Okay, shall I move to next question? Next question is 22. The capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor with air medium is 6 microfarad. With the introduction of a dielectric medium, the capacitance becomes what? 30 microfarad. Then what is the permittivity of the medium ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Under capacitance of parallel plate capacitor, when it is in air medium, it is 6 microfarad. If the same capacitance is kept between some medium, it becomes 30 microfarad. Then what is that permittivity? So here, so C dash ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನ್ರಿಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ capacitance for some medium. K is called what? Permittivity, and C is called here capacitance, parallel plate capacitor for air medium. So K equals to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ರೀ? C dash upon C. What is C dash here? It is given by 30, and capacitance for air medium is 6 microfarad. After cancellation, you are going to get how much answer? K equals to 5. But they are asking what here? This is dielectric constant. K is called what? Dielectric constant. Okay, but they are asking permittivity. So K equals to what is the formula? Epsilon upon epsilon naught. Epsilon for some other medium permittivity. This is for air medium. So now they are asking epsilon equals to what? Epsilon value. Epsilon is only question mark. So K into what? Epsilon naught. K is 5 and epsilon naught is, you know, 8.854 into 10 to the power of s to the minus 12. So when you multiplying this one, you are going to get 0.44 into 10 the power of minus 10 coulomb square per Newton per meter square. Means ಯಾವ್ದು ಬಂತ್ರಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್. Okay. Shall I move to next question? Okay, next question. 23. The potential to which a conductor is raised to depends upon. Not question was Rinusla. The potential to which the conductor is raised to depends upon. Out of 4 options, which one is correct? It is depends upon amount of charge or size of the conductor, or option both A and B, or only option A. As we know, V is equals to charge upon what? Capacitance. Q is what here? Charge. C is what? Capacitance. Okay. Looking at this mathematical equation, we come to know that it is purely depends upon this capacitor is depends upon geometry and size of the conductor. Geometry and size of the conductor. That's why here both amount of charge and size of the conductor both are coming, means option C. Okay, move on to next question. Here a parallel plate capacitor of capacitance, it is given by 20 microfarad by a voltage source whose potential is changing at the rate of 3 volt per second. The conduction current through a conducting wire and displacement current through the plates of the capacitor would be, which option is correct? Option 4 out of 4. Here charge is given by what? According to definition of capacitor, Q equals to C into V, or C equals to, you can write Q by V, both are same. What is the current definition? dq upon dt. So what is Q equals to here? C into V. In the place of Q I am going to substitute what? C into V. Here C is constant, so it becomes what? dV by dt. What is capacitor? 20 into 10 the power of minus 6. And what is dV by dt? Means the rate of changing with time is given by what? 3 volt per second. So just 3. Therefore I equals to 20 into 3 into 10 the power of s to the minus 6. So when you multiply this one you are going to get 60 microampere. Okay, and this is itself only what a answer for this question, that is 60 microampere into 60 microampere. And parallel plate ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 2 ನು 2 ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ, both are becomes what 60 microampere 60 microampere. Okay, shall I move to next question? Okay, question number 25th. The electrostatic force between the metal plates is an isolated parallel plate capacitor C having Q and means Q means charge and area A ಐತಿ. Then out of 4 option, which is the sentence is what correct for this condition? See. Here we know that definition of electric field is what? Force upon charge. And we know that again one more thing, that is E equals to what? Sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. This is a surface charge density. Students, only electric potential chapter ಮಾಡಾಕ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ electric potential chapter ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನೆನ್ಪಿಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲತಿ. You should have knowledge about what electric field, charge, current density, all chapters, because when they going to we are going to use in our derivation or numericals, we don't know. So here both will combine here, because here also electric field, here also electric field combine ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, so F equals to what you got? Q into sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. From this equation you come to know that F is proportional to what? Charge ಆಗೈತಿ. F is directly proportional to sigma ಆಗೈತಿ. F is inversely proportional to what? Permittivity ಆಗೈತಿ. But nowhere it is mentioned distance. So answer ಏಮಂತ್ರಿ? It is independent. It is independent proportional to what? Distance between the plates. It is never depends upon the distance between plates. So option D. Okay, shall I move to next question, students? Here in this diagram, A, B and C are the 3 points in a uniform electric field. Then the electric potential will be where it is more ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಕತ್ತಾರ ಅವ್ರು. 3 ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, A, B, C, and they all are what? different position. A ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ, B ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ, C ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. So we know that the electric potential is always decreases in the direction of electric field, because it is opposite direction. So ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ದ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಕೈತಿ, ಎ ಎಲ್ಲಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಸಮೀಪ ಐತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಕೈತಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಇದ್ರ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಕೈತಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಇದು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, ಇದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಎ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್, ವಿ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಸಿ ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಎ. Then what is our answer? Out of 4 option, the potential will be maximum at B. Okay, shall I move to next question? Hello students. So in question number 27, a charge Q is enclosed by a Gaussian surface of a spherical surface whose radius is given by r. If the radius is doubled, then the outward electric flux will be. So this is the problem based upon Gaussian surface. So you know Gauss law. So the Gauss law ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಏನಾಗೈತಪ್ಪ, the electric flux is enclosed by the charge, that is 1 upon epsilon naught times to what charge. So ಈ equation ಅಂತೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ, ಯಾವ law ಎಂದಿದೆ, this is from Gauss law. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಕತ್ತಾರೆ, ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಬಲ್ಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ Gaussian surface also what happens, if radius is increases then Gaussian surface is also what increases, but electric flux depends upon what, only on charge. This electric flux which depends upon only what, charge. Then ultimately what happens, if your radius increase ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ Gaussian surface increase ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, but the electric flux which is directly depends upon what, charge, then what happens, the electric flux will be remain same because charges remains what here same. Okay, so shall I move to next question? Question number 28. The two capacitors 6 microfarad 100 volt, 4 microfarad 100 volt are connected in series. The capacitance and breakdown voltage of the combination will be how much ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, here C1 is 6 microfarad, C2 is 4 microfarad, corresponding V1 is 100 volt, V2 is 100 volt. Both are connected in series antar. So what is the series combination formula? CS equals to C1 C2 upon C1 plus C2. Substitute 6 into 4, 6 plus 4, 6 4s are 24, 6 plus 4 add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 10 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. and after calculation how much you going to get? 2 point microfarad. And series combination of voltage and negative sum of their individual electric potential across the capacitor. That is V1 is given by 100 volt, Vt is also given by what? 100 volt. So after adding all those you are going to get what? 200 volt. So what is your answer for this given option question again? Option is B. Just I want to test the students, their concentration is there or not. It is option C is correct because it is 200 volt 2.4. Yes, option C is correct answer, friends. 2.4 microfarad and 200 volt. Okay students, shall I move to next question? (29). Just read the question 29. On moving a charge 20 coulombs for 2 centimeter, the 2 joule of work is done. Then the potential difference between the points will be how much? Here the potential difference is given by work done upon charge. Here work done is given by how much joule? 2 joule. Charge is given by 20 coulomb. When you calculate this one, you are going to get 0.1 volt. That's your answer. Option A. Students, shall I move to next question? Last question. Assume that electric field is given by 3x square. It exists in space. It exists in space. Then the potential difference is VA minus V naught and character, where V naught is the potential at origin, VA is potential at x equals to 2 meter. Okay, now you have to work out this problem. Here you know relation between electric field and potential is what? dV by dx. So I will shift dV here minus E into what happen dx atrida. Now we will take the integration V naught VA, that is what a dV, because integration limit, minus here they given origin under 0 here given for x equals to 2, V naught for origin, VA for 2 meter, E into what? dx. What is E? It is mentioned 30x square, 30x square into what? dx. Okay, now 30 is what? Constant. Integration of x square ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತೆ x cube upon 3 with limit what? 0 to 2. So integration of dv ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ v with limits what? vo and va equals to minus 30 x cube upon 3 0 to 2. Substitute here, it becomes what? Limits substitute ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ va minus v0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ minus 30 substitute in the place of 2 x ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ 2 cube upon 3 minus 0 minus 30 into 8 by 3, so minus 240 upon 3, finally 80 joules per coulomb. So we can write va minus v0 equals to minus 80 joules per coulomb. Okay students,